Hello guys, so again it's another sneaker vlog guys. So today's vlog we have the Nike SB. Yes guys, Nike SB. But this is not a Nike SB Dunk, but instead we have the Blazer guys. So this is, I'm not sure if this is collab, but I think it's a collaboration with it, an SB type and a Blazer type of sneakers. Last previous vlog guys, show you that I use this we use this Blazer mid from Nike, and yeah, I think it's becoming popular now guys, the Blazer type of sneakers. It's a comfy type of sneakers, and yet it's alternative with the Jordan 1 or J1 type of sneakers. So ayan, sa akin it's a good price for this type of sneakers. Yes guys, especially the leather that they use, it's not similar with the J1, but again I like the style of this simple but clean look sneaker guys. So ayan, and before that guys, there's also yan, shoutout kay Dudong, pinaram tayo ng sneaker niya guys. He have also this Blazer mid 77. Yeah, I don't know mid, but mukha siyang high pero it's a mid guys. Oh ayan, shoutout kay Dudong. Ito yung sa kanya, the Blazer mid 77 vintage o VNTG. So ayan, white black yung ano niya, official name. So maangas din guys. First time I saw this sneakers in, I think it's in the airport, Nike outlet airport, sa airport. Ayun, doon ko siya nakita. So I think it's a clean look sneaker guys. So maganda siyang alternate sa Jordan 1. Ayun, mas ano siya, mas clean look type. Medyo sa tingin ko nag-hype na rin ng ano eh. Di siya, it's not a hype sneakers, but visit the Foot Locker or any you will see a Blazer sneakers on the shelf. So ayan, makita nyo siya doon guys sa mga shelves, yung mga Blazer type na sneakers. But again guys, ayan, meron tayong Nike SB. Actually when I saw this box, I thought this is an SB Dunk type of box, because before we have Nike SB Court Purple Low with the same box. So papakita ko sa inyo yung Court Purple Low na same box. Ayun nga guys, so ito yung Court Purple Low natin na sneakers. Ito siya. Same box. Ayan, Nike SB Court Purple SB Dunk Court Purple Low. So ito yung sa Blazer guys. Ayan, it's similar box that they use for the Nike SB. Ayan. So this is our Nike SB Zoom Blazer mid. So ayan yung ano niya, yung name niya. Pero iyan ko lang, try kung i-zoom na lang mamaya. Ayan. So this is my size again, size 9. Ayan. Again, I saw one review on this Blazer, pangalan nun, regarding this Blazer mid type. It's more better if you have the true the size of the pair. So kung size 9 ka, take it size 9 guys. Huwag mo nang palagpasin yung, huwag mo nang sobrahan ng kalahati or something to make it fit exactly on your feet. So eto guys, ang box na natin ang Nike SB. So eto siya guys, ang Nike SB Nike SB Zoom Blazer mid. So ayan, eto siya, ating pair. Ayan, and ito, ayan. So for the price of this guys, it's around $75 US. So I think it's a good deal with this sneaker. So ayan, we will compare with our previous one, which is the Blazer mid premium, PRM or premium. I think it's premium, the PRM with this Blazer mid SB, Nike SB Zoom Blazer. Yan, kasi nga ang inner niya guys, ang midsole niya, it's already Nike SB Zoom Air. So yan, kung i-compare nyo siya, talaga siya kita, kasi nga madilim, nakafocus yung ilaw natin dito sa mukha ko lang. So ayan guys, i-b-roll ko na lang, i-ano ko na lang, ayun. Again, it's a Nike Zoom Air SB sa midsole niya, and for the Blazer Mid Premium o PRM, ayan, Nike lang nakalagay. So I think that's why it's collaboration because it's already Zoom Air. Ito guys, kanyang sole niya, Inno sole. Ayan, nakalagay Nike SB, Nike Zoom, Nike SB Zoom Air. So ayan, di ba? Ito siya. Kaya ito, parang ang lambot. Ayan. May ano pa rito, A4. So ayan, if you want an alternative pair from Jordan 1 type, ito, try nyo ang Nike Blazer o any type of Blazer guys. So but I think this one is sort of collaboration with the Nike and SB with the Blazer. Ayan, kasi nakalagay siya sa tang niya dito guys, it's a Nike SB. Ayan, zoom natin. Ayan, this is tang niya, Nike SB. Compare for the first one that we have, the Nike Blazer. Ayan, Nike lang siya, Nike, tapos yung check o yung swoosh. So dito sa other SB natin na Nike, ayan, Nike SB nakalagay niya dito. Sa likod, same, ayan, pareho lang na ginamit, Nike SB. Tapos ayan, yung check niya, mukhang mas malaki yung check dito sana. I think, o the swoosh, ayan, mas somewhat sa laki compare dito. So ayan, pareho siyang clean guys, clean look pair of sneakers. So ayan, mga white yung laces na talaga ng Blazer. So dito naman sa mid, dito naman sa vintage type, ayan, padudong maangas din, maganda rin, maputi, pero nga lang dumihin talaga to pag maputi. Alam nyo na, lagaan nyo na lang o sprayhan nyo na lang ng yung pang spray natin, tawag dun, basta meron nyo na. So the quality of the leather is not leather, is suede. Yeah, suede niya, suede yung pinaka body niya area, and I think it's a clean pair guys, clean look sneaker. So ayan, let's try to to wear this on next Friday. So pag mag tayo sneaker hunting, we will try to use this one guys on feet. So ayan guys, I think that's for today. I-b-roll ko na lang yung pair, yung sneakers, and ayan, check nyo lang guys. I think it's a good pair in a good price. It's $75 I think, and this is released last March 1, 2021. So ayan, try to check this pair guys, and ayan, masarap siyang yan, pangharabas, pang araw-araw, for everyday pair o everyday sneakers. Ito, maganda rin siya. So ayan guys, biro na lang natin. And that's it for today guys. So again, the sneaker for today is the Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid with colorway of navy white. And guys, first I want to shout out kay Dodong. Maraming salamat sa ating pair before. Ito, sa kanya galing to. And yan. At ayun guys, suggest ko lang, try nyo i-fit, try nyo i-check, ilakad-lakad nyo. Meron naman sa Foot Locker o sa mga shoe shop o so anong mga shop na meron kayo dyan sa area nyo. Try nyo i-fit ang Blazer, kasi nga alternative sneakers for Jordan. Sa Jordan, medyo alam nyo naman, Jordan medyo it's pricey now. So yan, try to check this Blazer type of sneakers. Angas na, laki ng shoes talaga, parang noy, gano'n ang ano niya, style. So again, that's it for today. flex time first, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlogger. Shoutout to all the admin at members ng Team Positive. Again guys, weight nga pala yung ano niya, yung material na ginamit dito sa weight type. So ayun, at syempre ang ating mga ka-MCC Angels, shoutout to you mga mama sir, at sa ating dalawang tropa na si Brian Puntanar at Palaboy OFW. Shoutout sa mga sa inyo dalawa. So ayun, thank you and mabuhay.